Hey there, I'm Trish from TrishNewberry.com, and I make a lot of my sewing patterns for knit fabrics, and from time to time you are going to need to unpick a seam. So some people find this really daunting when we have a serged thread and overlock thread. Let's just look at our overlocking stitch and it might become a bit clearer as to how to unpick it. So generally when you're serging a knit garment together, you'll use 4 threads. We've got a left needle, a right needle, and then 2 lower loopers. So when we're unpicking, we need to unpick the left and right needles only. You don't need to worry about the lower loopers. So for this, what I've done is I've done my left needle in a very pale pink and my right needle in this darker pink colour. So when we go to unpick a serger seam, all we need to unpick are those 2 threads. Sometimes they can be quite straightforward to come out. So when we're looking at this, trying to find the thread to unpick, the one we need to unpick is the one in the middle. So some people say just put a thread in, unpick needle in, and just pick it out every 2 or 3 stitches. You can do that. Often you find you can do a run, you can do a pull like that, and the whole middle thread will come out. You could do a stitch, cut a stitch say every couple of inches and try that. But make sure you get that middle one out first. It just makes life a little bit easier. Oh, and just to explain it, so this is the right side of my stitching, and that's the underside of my stitching. So the next line of stitches we need to get out, so I've just pulled out the right needle, is the left needle. And the left needle is the straight line on the bottom that I've done in this pale pink thread. So when I was taught how to do this, I was told you just go along and make a nick and cut the thread every 3 stitches. I don't like doing that. I like to try and pull out as much as I can at the same time. So I like to just do this. But either way, once you get those left and right needle threads out, what you will find, the rest of your serging will just pull apart like so. So I hope someone gets some use out of that technique. Thanks for joining me. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you again soon.